How to roll back device drivers in Windows 10. Everyone knows the importance of software updates and how essential they are in keeping your system running. However, sometimes a new driver update can cause more problems than it solves, leading to crashes or hardware issues. In this video, we'll outline how to safely conduct device driver rollbacks in Windows 10. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What are device drivers? Device drivers are essential software that allows Windows 10 to communicate with your hardware, ensuring stability and performance. Keeping drivers updated can improve functionality and fix bugs, but occasional updates may introduce new issues, so it's important to manage them carefully. As with all software, driver updates can potentially lead to issues. The most common issues following a driver update are system crashes, including the blue screen of death, hardware malfunctions, performance drops. Rolling back device drivers can help address these issues. How to conduct a device driver rollback in Windows 10. The process for rolling back device drivers consists of three parts: accessing Device Manager, performing the rollback, and verifying that it is successful. You can open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button, Windows icon, and selecting Device Manager, or by searching for it in the Start menu. From there, locate the category of your problematic device. Click the arrow next to the category to expand it. Now, it's time to perform the device driver rollback. Right-click the problematic device, then select Properties. Once the window opens, go to the Driver tab and click Rollback Driver. Select a reason for the rollback when prompted, then click Yes to start the process. How to verify the rollback. You need to restart your computer after completing a rollback, so make sure to save any work that's open. To verify that the rollback was successful, return to Device Manager and check the device's driver version under Properties. Test the device and conduct a thorough test to ensure the issues have been resolved. Check Windows Event Viewer for any related error messages. What to do after rolling back device drivers in Windows 10. To prevent driver update issues in the future, create a system restore point before updating drivers. Research new updates, especially for critical hardware. Configure Windows to notify you before installing driver updates. Keep a record of known working driver versions for future reference. Staying vigilant with driver updates is key to avoiding unexpected system crashes. While updates can improve functionality, a bad or incompatible driver can quickly disrupt an otherwise stable system. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to roll back device drivers in Windows 10, linked in the description below.